Good morning, everyone. I am Azad and I will be discussing the solution of online learning platforms. So, if I am wrong, I hope then you will forgive me. Actually, the rapid growth of online learning, included by technological advancement and global disruption like the COVID-19 pandemic, has transformed the educational landscape. However, this transformation brings challenge is in ensuring that online education meets the standards of quality learning. Today, we will explore solutions to these challenges and discuss actionable steps to deliver inclusive, engaging, and effective education in an online setting. Before diving into solution, let us briefly outline the key challenges. First, digital divide, limited access to device and the internet. Second, lack of engagement. Lack of engagement, actually, passive learning can reduce motivation and retention. Now, solution ensure quality of online education. First, bridging the digital divide. Problem: many learners cannot access online education due to infrastructure gaps. Solution: develop partnership with governments and private sectors, provide affordable devices and connectivity. Offer offline-friendly learning options such as downloadable content and SMS-based updates. Build community learning centers equipment with digital resources for underprivileged areas. Second, creating engaging and interactive content. Problem: online platform often lack active learning opportunities. Solution: use multimedia tools like videos, animations, and simulation to make lesson engaging. Interactive research such as quizzes, polls, and partial lives. Adopt gamification technologies. Example: rewards processing rating to sustain motivation. Third, training indicators for digital teaching. Problem: educators may struggle to adapt to online teaching methodologies. Solution: organize professional development programs focused on digital methodology. Provide educators with access to user-friendly tools, content creation and delivery. Foster a collaborative community where research can exchange ideas and resources. Fourth, ensuring accessibility for all learners. Problem: online education can unintentionally split learners with disabilities. Solution: design courses with universal design principles to ensure inclusivity. Included accessibility research like closed option, transcripts, and text-to-speech options. Test platforms for compatibility with accessible technologies like screen readers. Fifth, enhancing assessment and feedback mechanism. Problems: online assessment often lack rigor and credibility. Solution: employ AI-based protecting tools in mountain integrity. Diversity assessment methods with project-based learning, open books exam, and self-reflection. Provided detailed, personalized feedback to guide learners' progress. Sixth, building a sense of community. Problem: online learning can feel isolation for students. Solution: encourage collaborative learning through group activities, discussion forums, and peer reviews. facilitate regular with partial meetup or live sessions to create professional connections. Use social platform to foster information, interaction, and a sense of belonging. 7. Personalizing the learning experience. Problem: a standards approach fails to address individuals' needs. Solution: implement adaptive learning technologies that tailor content to the learner's taste and level. Use analytics to identify struggling students and offer target intervention. Provided flexibility in course schedule and declaring to accommodate diverse learning styles. Example of success implementation: Duolingo, a language learning app that uses gamification and adaptive technologies for personalized learning. Khan Academy offers free accessible content with interactive exercise and real-time practice. UNESCO's Global Education Position, a global initiative ensuring continuity education during emergencies by leveraging technology and partnership. In conclusion, quality education in online learning is accessible through collaborative efforts, innovative strategies, and a learner-centered approach. By addressing the digital divide, ensuring institute inclusivity, and leveraging technology effectively, we can create an online learning ecosystem that benefits all. Let us commit to building a future where online education uploads the same standards of quality and accessibility as traditional learning environment. Thank you. I look forward to your thought and question on this important topic of online learning quality education. Thank you.